Okay, so fun DIY project for the holiday season. Get outside into the woods or your lawn or whatever and go find some sticks. Okay? Sticks. I'm going to use some large sticks today. You can use smaller sticks, large sticks, whatever. Then the other thing you're going to need is some flat spray paint. I'm using white. Then some spray adhesive, and then the final pièce de résistance, Epsom salt. Okay, so what are we going to do with these 4 ingredients? Sticks, spray paint, adhesive, and Epsom salts. We're going to take these plain old branches and make them magical for your holiday decorating. Piece of cake, fun to do, easy. So let me show you how to do it. Thanks for hanging out.